Oh my god, look at everyone, what has happened. Jan 26 mentorship program, Super 30 batch we have just now completed, and look at the testimonials. What students, all the 30 students who have participated in this powerful mentorship program, January 26, what they are saying. Next level testimonials and next level feedback. And the best part, what happened this time for Jan 26 final intermediate foundation, we've taken only 30 students, where we provided them one-to-one personal mentorship program. If I give you a little more detail here, but before that, I want you to join this Telegram channel right away. Okay, scan this Telegram channel and join this right away, so that you can see more than thousand and thousand of testimonials which we have uploaded in last 6-7 years, where so many students have cleared their exam. But what was special about this Jan 26, wherein we took only 30 students? So what are you saying? Yes, we worked day and night continuously for number of days and months, and this is what we have created and what we provided them in our personal one-to-one mentorship program. So look, first of all, we provided them one-to-one personal mentorship, where there was 100% customized study plan, which includes daily targets, last day revision plan, a continuous study tracker application. Okay, so that they can track their studies on daily basis. And then there was one-on-one personal accountability, which nobody can provide. Students were connected with us, not in any kind of group or something, one-on-one on personal basis, right? And then on top of that, daily guidance, daily support, all kind of proper environment, planning on call, okay, not any standard plan. And then all the chapter wise test. These people, they are saying, no sir, I made this, I did this, I did that, I've created history, I'm expecting rank, I'm expecting a great result. How? Because they've written all our chapter wise test for all subject. So one chapter, one test. Likewise, after that, they've written our unit test also with proper evaluation, then they wrote 2 full syllabus. I want to tell you that they have completed their 4 revision. Some of them have done 5 revision also, but let me say that minimum 3, but some of them have done 5 revisions also. This is what has happened in Jan 26. And now, because January 26 final examination is completing today, and tomorrow intermediate examination, we are announcing May 26. See, after I announced this, a lot of students were asking me, sir, when are you coming with this Super 30 batch? I want to start, I want to enroll for this. Okay, I want to study like your Jan 26 students have done it. So now we are finally launching Super 30 batch for May 26 students. How about the charges and all? We have kept it very negligible. Okay, those students, yeah, there are charges if you can afford. Okay, you can pay the full fees, but where there is financial constraint and all that, all the details I'll share with you. What you got to do is immediately WhatsApp me on this number 8334 866 117, or you can directly visit our website camentoringprogram.org and get yourself enrolled in this Super 30 batch, where uncountable testimonials you can find, as I told you, on our this Telegram channel. You just join our Telegram channel, thousands and thousands of testimonial. You'll find how we have created history in India, right? See you. Okay, now students, because they were waiting, sir, when are you coming up with this 30 batch, Super 30 batch for May 26? There we go. All the best, everyone.